Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a recap and a blooper reel of my Sabotage series, which is a series on my channel I do live every Saturday or Sunday. And if you guys end up missing it, this is something you can come and catch up with. Now, this is a lot of fun. I will have the introduction to my Sabotage series linked below in the description if you are interested in seeing what it's all about. But basically, what we do is we get away from all the drama and we make makeup fun again, because after all, I'm just going to clean it off my face afterwards. So here's what it is. You all get to tell me what to do for my makeup as we go. I will pick the one that makes me laugh the most or is the most terrible. The rules are simple enough. I will only apply makeup products to my face. I will only use makeup tools that I have at my desk to apply the looks. I will obviously not cause bodily harm. And if you ask me to go get something during the live, I won't do that because I don't want to interrupt the live stream. So other than that, here is the blooper reel. I hope you guys enjoy it and make sure to join me on my next one. Are we too close to my face, or is this what you guys want to see? There's my window pane. You're welcome. Hi, the chocolate thunder. I can't say your name without laughing. I have to itch my nose live. Do y'all mind? Apply primer with the back of your hand. Oh gosh, I just realized if I drop stuff, it's dead to me. No problem Primescence with that word. You're welcome. Oh gosh, did I shave my armpits? Yes, I did. Apply foundation, but wipe your beauty blender instead of bouncing. I look like a cute raccoon. Thanks. So I'm gonna put, I don't have paper. I have my dental picks. Dentex, sponsor me, thanks. Okay, so we are gonna put Tan AF full coverage foundation on here. I'm going to smush my face into it, and then I'm just gonna wipe with the beauty blender. Do I have to act like I'm selling something? Conceal and Perfect Milani. This is the worst foundation ever, y'all. We're gonna be covered. So full coverage. Ew, I just spit. Well, I can't take that back. Blended too far into my hairline. Gotcha. We got it. This is gonna be dabbing my tears. We can fix it with bronzer. Put concealer where you don't highlight. Got it. Yes. Yes. I am a contouring. That was a little high. Oops. I am going out after this. Did my camera just turn off?
I jacked it up.
And he's grounded. Husbands. Oh my god! Wait!
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. I'm glowing! Sprinkle in my powder. I'm going in with Believe Beauty from Dollar General. It is more than $1, but less than $5. Oh, I have a fan going, so it's gonna like all blow this way. So dark bronzer with a wet brush. Left hand. Hold it backwards. And I'm gonna use this beautiful shade here. I mean, it's clearly perfect for my porcelain skin. Yes. Yes. We got it. We got this. We got this. It's got. Just gonna bronze. Beautiful. So flawless. Perfect cheekbones. I'm an inspiration to my children. I know. I try. I look like I am blended to the gods over here. So my husband does my eyebrows with blue. Why do I look 80 years old right now? Contour a butt chin under yourself. Okay, I can do that. Y'all want to see me with a butt chin? Why are these wrinkles so prominent on my neck? Ew. There's actually a palette in the top container there. I can't get it. I'm not wearing pants or a bra.
I do not do makeup, that's for sure. Oh, it is beautiful. It is gorgeous. Look at that.
What do you guys think? Yes! Cookie Monster eyebrows. That technique. Thanks, love. I love you so much. Raise them eyebrows. I'm ruining my channel right now. Backwards brush. This said backwards bitch. No, that's not what I meant to say. Rainbow. Purple eyeshadow. Jay Leno. White eyeliner. Long wing. Knuckles. Don't laugh at my butt chin. This is Hereditary. We're gonna go in with Black Hole here. Jeffree Star! Hello? Your PR list? This needs to be happening. Do you see what I'm doing with this beautiful palette here? This is terrifying. Okay, Jeffree Star. Like, what? How's your hand feeling? I mean, I am a duchess. Like, I am a debutante. What do you mean, how's my hand feeling? I do this all day long. I wave out of my carriage of gold with white horses. So if you just warm it up on your skin for a minute, like, you got it. And it's golden. This beautiful color right here, alien. Ooh, pork tacos, yes, Alexandra. We all need some pork tacos in our life. Sometimes. I look like a snack. Yeah. Just trying to sabotage me, this Fallout. Oh, boom. Is that not the best wing you guys have ever seen in your life? Angel wings. I got you. And then we'll do devil horns. Now we're gonna about to do that was some southern for y'all. My wings are uneven. Like, literally, like my angel wings are uneven. Damn it. Devil horns with red. Upside down lashes and mascara. Okay. Ooh, I want you. I don't know if I need it, but ooh, I die to find out. I'm done to find out. Ooh, I die to find out. I'm done to demonetized. That was unrecognizable. I can't be demonetized if they can't figure out what I'm trying to sing. Alright, I am going in with just some dirty, nasty Ardell Demi Wispies. We gotta let this dry. Get tacky. Let's apply these like a pro, because this is serious. What do you think? I mean, stunning. I am a perfectionist, and this is beautiful. Girl, I have I had a stroke. I'm not reading the chat for the next 5 minutes. Y'all can talk about this on your own. I'm just gonna look out at all the poison ivy growing over my fence. Ooh, girl! So we're doing hugs on the lips with orange lipstick outlined in blue. Oh, these lips are so exfoliated right now. Wow. Wow. Oh, I like a look at that. I mean. Orange lipstick, purple glitter. I just spit. Oops. So I feel like with these lips, I need to talk different. Oh my. Oh. Ooh. Oh. 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 And like, I'm okay with ingesting this glitter because I'm just gonna poop hollow later, and I'm okay with this. When you set your face, you don't want to make any expressions. You don't want to express any emotions. I don't have enough makeup remover. I probably am just gonna go dunk my face into the hose. I go out in public like this all the time. America! Oh my gosh, this blush is actually like really glowing, y'all. He's not impressed.
Holy hell. The puppy is fearful of you.
Why is he shaking?
He's scared of your face. We can't come near you.
I have to take a bath like 5 times. I'll
All
do that.
right, we'll have it out soon.
Okay. He thinks he's Scottish.
Whatever.
He was born in America. Like my lips. America. I'm so happy you guys came and joined me on here. This was a lot of fun. Bye!